Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we'll learn how to schedule a payment arrangement on AT&T. We'll also include a link in the description below for great deals on phones and accessories. To start, open the website att.com. At the upper right corner of the screen, you will see an option that says My AT&T. Click on My AT&T. A drop-down list will appear. From the options provided, click on Sign In. On the field provided, enter your AT&T user ID. Once the user ID is entered, click on Continue. Next, enter your password. Once the password is entered, click on Sign In. After signing in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Settings. Here, scroll down a little. Under Payments, you will see an option that says Payment Arrangement. Click on Payment Arrangement. On this page, you will see your balance due. Enter the amount and date in the fields provided. Next, choose a payment method. You can choose from debit or credit card, bank, and more. In this video, we have chosen to pay with our credit card. Click on the option you wish to select. Lastly, click on the button that says Pay. That's how you schedule a payment arrangement on AT&T. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.